Students, good morning to all. Myself R.K. Suthar is going to teach the topic Vienna settlement. Children, in my last class I had discussed about Napoleonic War and the defeat of Napoleon. Today I am here to discuss the Vienna Congress. Children, as you know, Napoleon Bonaparte, the sensation of Europe, came to power in France in 1804. It is known to everyone because in 9th class you had been taught French Revolution. And after French Revolution, you know, Napoleon Bonaparte became the Emperor of France and he ruled from 1804 to 1815. Within that period of time or rule, he changed the geography and the dynastic succession setup of Europe. My dear children, now I am going to discuss Vienna settlement. What is Vienna settlement? Children, you know Vienna is the capital of Austria, not Australia but Austria. Austria is an European country. And Napoleon was defeated in the Battle of Waterloo in 1815 by the combined powers of Britain, Russia, Prussia and Austria. And Waterloo was or is located in Belgium. Children, after defeat of Napoleon Bonaparte, all the European powers who had collectively defeated Napoleon Bonaparte, they met in Vienna to redraw the settlement of Europe, and this is called Vienna settlement or this is called Vienna Congress. Children, now this Congress, Vienna Congress, and which was held in 1815 in Vienna, the capital of Austria, was presided or dominated by the Chancellor of Austria. You are looking that photo, and this photo is the image of or photo of Duke Metternich, the Chancellor of Austria. That means he dominated the Congress and he presided the Congress, and whatever steps or objective or any action taken in Vienna Congress, it was mainly planned or designed by Duke Metternich, the Austrian Chancellor. And this Congress was attended by many representatives and you can say aristocrats, many statesmen. And this Congress really was a turning point in the history of Europe because all the monarchies which had been overthrown by Napoleon Bonaparte during Napoleonic War, now in this Congress again, so there was provision how to restore the monarchies which was overthrown by Napoleon Bonaparte. Now it's my topic to discuss provisions or features of Vienna Congress. Children, first of all, you know what is called Vienna Congress, and this Vienna Congress was based on the principle of restoration, balance of power and legitimacy. Children, that means Vienna Congress actually it was the plan which is based on mainly principle of restoration, balance of power and legitimacy. What is the meaning of restoration? To restore or to place that old dynasties which were in the throne before Napoleon Bonaparte. That means when Napoleon became the Emperor of France, he has overthrown many dynasties, existing dynasties. This is why after defeat of Napoleon, again, so power means monarchy was restored, again placed to the throne. Second point is, and this principle is based on balance of power. Means now all the territories which was earlier ruled by the monarchies, now they have to rule their particular territory. So that to be maintained, power should be balanced. And third one I can say legitimacy. Legitimacy means according to the law, the which dynasty were ruling in which country, that dynasty will be given to power. So now children, if we discuss main intention or objective of the Congress was to restore monarchies which had been overthrown by Napoleon and create a new conservative order in Europe. Children, so in this Congress, means Vienna Congress, one treaty was signed. The treaty name was given the Treaty of Vienna in 1850. Now topic is to discuss here the Treaty of Vienna, and this treaty was signed among the victorious power and France. Mainly children, main intention was to paralyze or was to check the expansion of France. This is why the Treaty of Vienna was signed, and the delegates, those who attended the Congress, they drew up the Treaty of Vienna. Treaty means what is the treaty? The agreement or provisions. How the power will be restored or maintained with object of undoing most of the changes that had come about in Europe to Napoleonic War. Whatever has been changed during Napoleon War, that to be changed. So first of all I am telling, so what is the main provision, features of Vienna Congress? By the Treaty of Vienna, first provision is the Bourbon dynasty. You know children, Louis, the King Louis, those are the ruler of Bourbon dynasty. In French Revolution 9th class you are knowing. This is why I am telling again, the Bourbon dynasty was restored to France. That means, so after Napoleon, again Bourbon dynasty means Louis XVIII came to power to France. Next, France lost all the territories it is annexed under Napoleon. Children, actually the main intention of this Congress was to check the further expansion of France. This is why France was checked from all sides. France lost all the territories that had annexed or had been annexed by Napoleon. And a series of states were set up on the boundaries of Napoleon to prevent French expansion in the future. Children, surrounding the country France, a series of states, means number of states were created which will check the French expansion. Now the Kingdom of Netherlands, which included Belgium, was set up in north, and Genoa was added to Piedmont in the south. And Netherlands Kingdom, which including Belgium, was set up in the north. In the north side of Europe, Netherlands with Belgium was set up, and Genoa was added to Piedmont in the south. And in south part, Genoa was added. Now, Prussia was given new territories on its western frontiers, while Austria was given control of northern Italy. Children, you know, Austrian Chancellor Duke of Metternich, and he was the lion of the Congress. This is why he came with lion's share, and Austria was given most of the part of northern Italy only because it was the main person who presided the meeting. Then Russia was given the part of Poland, while Prussia was given a portion of Saxony. And children, I am telling, Napoleon Bonaparte had created Germany into 39 states out of countless principalities. There were many states of Germany, but Napoleon has created this confederation, group of 39 states, but it was not divided. Children,